Hello, so today I will be talking about how I did assignment 7. So the first thing that I did was I created an empty dictionary and then I created a while loop. And in that while loop, I first created an empty list. So each time through, when it finishes the entire loop, it won't continue to store the entire list inside the tuple, but it will clear that list so that way the tuples are broken up. The second thing I did was I created the first input, which asks the user to enter a course prefix. If the user were to enter quit, the program would break right away, but if not, we would continue on to the next while loop, which prompts the user to enter course numbers. If the user enters done, the loop will break, but if not, we will add or append the user course number that they entered, and we will append that to the list. And then I created a variable called myTuple and converted my list into a tuple. And then after that, we will take the key, we'll create or use the dictionary to add the key user course, which is entered by the user, and then we'll convert that into myTuple, which is the list. So then I have a function called print course dictionary tuples, and what this function does is it takes the keys inside the dictionary and it'll first print that key that the user entered, and then we'll continue to the next for loop, which then sorts the values or the tuples in sorted order, followed, or it'll be after the key is printed. So then at the end of my while loop, I will call print course dictionary tuples and pass the myd parameter variable. And then I also imported A7 functions. So if I run this, I can add in a course prefix, then enter some course numbers, press done, and then enter another course prefix. Oops, don't know why that happened. And press done, and then quit. And then it will print out our course prefix, followed by sorted order of course numbers. And yeah, thank you so much.